scarves, loose-fitting shoes, cell phones, and any and all loose articles are not permitted on Falcon Spirit. Offices for loose articles are provided.
Can we say hi to the camera? Hi, camera!
Hi, camera! No one ever told you. No, look at you up. Stop. Yo, look up. Oh, it just told us that. It just told us, tiger.
Yeah, that's the thing. Oh my god, my toes are so cold. My toes are so cold right now. Wait, where's... Oh my god. That light is not nice. It's hard. They're gonna shut it. Oh my god, I'm scared. Like, my thing always feels weird to me down there. I'm gonna hold my own hand.
Matter, are you scared?
I gotta... Y'all can hold hands if y'all want. It's better. I'm scared. I'm holding my own hand. Sure! Ah!
My name is Spider Robin. My body was out of the seat.
Easy. Oh my god. Come on, you can I'm gonna throw up.
You scared me for a second.
I'm gonna throw up. Get me out of here, bro.
I was thinking of every one possibility.
Welcome back.
Oh my god.
Please watch your steps as you exit to retrieve any personal belongings.
I better not throw up.
And follow the arrows to the exit.
I got kicked out of school. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Hey, it's a beautiful view, right?
A few inches later.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Wait, we're not gonna do that? Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh, wait, why are we there? Somebody's trying to go for there. Mom, I want to go on that next. Yo, we're doing that one next.
Loose articles permitted on Falcon
Wait,
Spirit,
what's happening?
such as phones,
Imagine this
wallets,
just straight up like 50 miles an hour.
than cameras.
And then, yeah, it's one of the worst possibilities of all.
I literally thought like my